Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get missing iOS emojis on any Android phone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, let me show you here in my keyboard. So guys, you can see here are my emojis. Here you can see guys. Here you can see guys. So how to get missing emojis on any Android phone. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open Play Store and then search for Gboard. Here it is guys. So after that, what you have to do is just simply install this one. So I have already installed it. Just simply open it, tap on select input method, tap on Gboard. So it's done now. From here, then tap on emojis and stickers and gifs, then allow both of these from here, and then go back and close this page. And then let me show you in my keyboard. So here you can see guys, here are the new missing iOS emojis. So you can see guys, here are the new emojis. Here you can see guys, here you can see guys. Here you can see. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.